back to my channel. Let's make something interesting today. Yes, let's make a Sprite Jello bottle. For making this Jello bottle, heat up a pan on a medium flame and add 500 ml of water. Allow the water to boil for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the water becomes warm. Now the water is warm enough to add the gelatin. Take 170 grams of lime flavored gelatin. We are adding this lime gelatin to get the exact color of the Sprite bottle. Add lime gelatin powder to this warm water. Stir it continuously so that powder gets dissolved in water. When lime gelatin gets completely dissolved, add 8 sachets of unflavored gelatin. After adding gelatin powder, reduce the flame to as lowest as possible and mix the gelatin very well such that it doesn't form any lumps. When gelatin gets dissolved, switch off the flame and remove the pan. Take 500 ml of Sprite bottle, serve it in a glass and enjoy it. When the bottle gets empty, peel the wrap so that later we can attach this to the jelly. Remove it carefully. Jello water has cooled down a bit. It's in a normal temperature. So now you can fill the empty Sprite bottle with this Jello water. Fill the Jello water till the mouth of the bottle. Now close the cap and refrigerate the Sprite bottle overnight. Do not put it in the freezer. Just keep in fridge in a standing position for 9 to 10 hours. After 9 to 10 hours in fridge, the next day I remove the cap and press it the jelly just to check whether it is solid. Yes, it's perfectly solid now. To unwrap the bottle, make a cut along this line. I didn't make a deep cut as it may cut the jelly. It's a bit tough part, but it's fun doing it. I really enjoyed making this jello bottle. When you open the cap, we can easily pull off the bottle. Now carefully remove the bottom part of the bottle. It's just wow! As this jello looks like a real Sprite bottle, even with the finest detail, it has come perfectly. It's very smooth, soft, and gummy. To make it look real, just wrap the Sprite logo around the bottle, and I am sure if I show this jello to anyone, they will think it's a real Sprite bottle. Try this easy recipe and amaze your friends, family, and kids, and I'm sure they will love it. Especially the kids, they will feel very happy and excited to see this Sprite Jello bottle. Rather than eating this jello, I just want to play with this jello. It's very real, smooth, and soft. Jokes apart, it's time to cut the jelly now. Yes, we made a cut successfully, and now you can see how it looks inside the bottle. It's really smooth and it's a perfect jelly to eat. It's completely safe to eat, and I will have a bite now.